Hi everyone, my name is Gina Anderson, and today I'm going to walk you through a second grade math lesson on equivalent sets. This lesson helps students learn how to tell if two different groups of items have the same amount, even when the objects are not the same. By the end of this lesson, students would be able to identify and compare equivalent sets using visual tools and explain their thinking with math vocabulary. To begin, I'll introduce the word set. A set is just a group of items, like 4 notebooks and 3 pens. I'll show the class a few pictures or real-life examples like I just showed you. I'll ask, do these sets have the same number of items? And model how each can match up one by one. That's called one-to-one correspondence. When every item in set A matches every item in set B, we call the set equivalent. We'll build an anchor chart with key vocabulary, and it'll be set equivalent, one-to-one correspondence, and match. Next, I'll pass out picture cards like this one. This is also a worksheet. And I'll set out counters, and the students will be able to work in pairs. Each student will make their own set and trade with a partner. And while they do that, they'll have whiteboards as well. And in that whiteboard, they can write yes or no and answer why they're equivalent or not equivalent. I will go around and I will ask them when they're doing this, how can you match these sets, and do the sets have the same size or not? So that's another way to do equivalent sets. Let's see. At the end of the lesson, each student will get an exit ticket like this. And in that exit ticket, they will have 2 illustrated sets. They'll circle yes or no and write why the sets are or are not equivalent. And I'll also be watching during the group work if they're using the correct usage of words like set or same number. For homework, I made a set hunt. In the set home, they'll go home and they'll find at least 2 groups of items. So, for example, 1 set of 4 forks or 1 set of 4 socks. And they will tell me how these are equivalent. So they each have 4 items. So that makes it equivalent set. So what they will do in this home set is they'll write down what the item is and how many for set 1, and then what the item is and how many for set 2, and then they'll answer if their set is equivalent. And then they'll draw or write a list of what it is that they looked up and found. These will help the students connect what they're learning in a real life setting. So yeah, thanks for watching my lesson on equivalent sets, and I hope this helped show you how we can keep math fun and simple for our young learners. Thanks, bye.